Hey guys, welcome to Kia's Fusion Kitchen. Today we are going to make delicious cupcakes with the fruit of the season, mango. Let's start, shall we? Start by mixing all the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Due to the lockdown, I couldn't get caster sugar, so I'm using regular granulated sugar. If you have caster sugar, please use that. Now add in all the wet ingredients, melted butter, yogurt, water, eggs and vanilla essence. You can use oil instead of melted butter if you wish to. Now gently mix all of these until we get a smooth batter. That's it. Our cake batter is ready. It's that simple. So now line a cupcake mold with cupcake liners and fill each cupcake mold until 3/4 full. I got 7 medium-sized cupcakes with this batter. Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius and bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes. While our cupcakes are baking, let's move on to making the frosting. If you are using whipped cream, whip it until stiff peaks, either with the help of a blender or with your hand. Then add in the sugar and whisk again until well combined. And if you are using whipping powder like me, take equal quantities of whipping powder and milk and whip until stiff peaks form, about 5 to 7 minutes with an electric blender. The whipping powder is sweetened and hence we don't have to add sugar. After this, add in the mango puree and whisk again until well combined. Our mango whipped cream is ready. Refrigerate it until later use. Meanwhile, our cupcakes are baked and are out of the oven. You can see the result of using regular sugar. So many impressions on the cupcakes. Nevertheless, they still taste good. Allow them to cool completely before frosting. Our cupcakes are cooled now and we are ready to frost. You can use a piping bag with your favorite nozzle, but I am going to do it with the back of a spoon. Apply sufficient amount of frosting onto your cupcake and smooth it out with the back of your spoon. Now the final bit, decorate the cupcakes with some chopped fresh mango pieces. Serve them to your family and you are ready to get complimented. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive instant notifications of new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching.